Hey there, this is Becca with YouCanBookMe. If you want to save hours and keep all of your client data in one place, you probably use a CRM. And if you use HubSpot, well, integrating it with your YouCanBookMe is an absolute game changer for your business. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your HubSpot with your YouCanBookMe account and why that matters. So when you integrate HubSpot with YouCanBookMe, every new booking is automatically added or updated in HubSpot. This means no more manual data entry, no missed meetings, and no lost client information. So here's what you get with the integration. You can automatically have it create or update contacts when somebody books a meeting with you. It will sync reschedules, cancellations, and no-shows instantly. Access your YouCanBookMe meeting links directly from HubSpot. Map booking form fields to HubSpot contact properties for easier follow-ups. Support workflows, lists, and automations in HubSpot, all just by connecting it to your YouCanBookMe. So setting up is super simple. When you log into YouCanBookMe, click on your profile photo in the top corner and then hit My Account. Next, click Integrations. Now there's a boatload of integrations here, so we could scroll, but I'm just gonna search for it. Perfect. Let's hit Connect. It's asking if I'm okay with it connecting to HubSpot. Yes. You should already be logged into HubSpot because, let's be honest, you're probably already always logged into HubSpot. If not, it would probably prompt you to log in first. If not, it would prompt you to log in first because I'm already logged into HubSpot. It knows that my HubSpot is called YouCanBookMe and it's asking if I can connect. Yes, please. Hit Choose Account. It's going to ask for all of the permissions. Now, I've read this before, so I'm just going to jump through it, but feel free to check out those details if you want to know. Just like that, my HubSpot is connected to my YouCanBookMe account. So I can now go nuts on the HubSpot side with my form fields, my automations, whatever I want to do. So let's talk about how this actually works in practice. So if a client already exists in HubSpot, the meeting will be directly added to their activity stream. If they're new, YouCanBookMe will create a brand new contact, assign it to the team member they booked with, and then sync all their activity with the meetings to their activity stream. And if your booking requires approval, the meetings only sync to HubSpot once you approve them. Reschedules, cancellations, and no-shows are all automatically updated in HubSpot. You'll see who made the change, and if it's a cancellation, the reason why will be recorded as well. If a meeting moves to a different team member, the original contact owner stays the same. So it's very clean on the HubSpot side. Any edits or notes added in YouCanBookMe to your meetings are also synced. But as a heads up, if you change a client's email address, the HubSpot instance will just create a brand new contact while still applying future updates to the original booking. So the email address is the key connector here for making the booking versus the HubSpot details, which makes sense. Mapping fields is super easy. Default properties include first name, last name, email, phone number, mobile, and time zone. Makes sense, right? And YouCanBookMe uses shorthand codes like first name and email, so your HubSpot contacts are already automatically populated with booking information. They speak the same language, so you don't have to worry about it. And if you're sending SMS reminders, you can also have it map mobile phone and connect all of those messages as well. And that's it. Once you're connected, you can join meetings directly from HubSpot. You can manage bookings in YouCanBookMe with ease, save time and reduce manual errors, keep your client data organized and up to date, power automations and workflows for better follow-ups. Integrating HubSpot with YouCanBookMe keeps your schedule, your clients, and your team in sync, so you can focus on growing your business instead of sorting through spreadsheets. If you're ready to get started, head to your YouCanBookMe account, connect HubSpot, and watch your workflows transform. Thank you so much for watching.